Plant FAQs, Campanula Birch Hybrid. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for unique specimens to add to my collection. One plant that has piqued my interest is the Campanula Birch Hybrid. This stunning perennial is known for its beautiful bell-shaped flowers and lush foliage. In this article, I'll answer some frequently asked questions about the Campanula Birch Hybrid, including its care, propagation methods, and whether it's invasive. What is Campanula Birch Hybrid? Campanula Birch Hybrid is a cross between different species of bellflower plants. This hybrid typically features vibrant purple or blue flowers that bloom in late spring to early summer. Its foliage is generally green and can sometimes have a lovely textured appearance. This plant thrives in well-drained soil and can adapt to a variety of garden settings, making it a popular choice among gardeners. Is Campanula Birch Hybrid invasive? One of the most common concerns among gardeners is whether a plant is invasive. Fortunately, the Campanula Birch Hybrid is not classified as an invasive species. While it can spread in the right conditions, it doesn't aggressively overtake gardens like some other plants can. I've found that with proper maintenance and care, it stays well behaved in my garden beds. How to propagate Campanula Birch Hybrid? Propagating Campanula Birch Hybrid can be a rewarding experience. I've had success with two main methods: division and seed propagation. Division. In early spring or fall, dig up an established plant and gently separate the roots into smaller sections. Each section should have healthy roots and foliage. Replant these sections in well-draining soil, and they will establish quickly. Seed propagation. Collect seeds after the flowers have faded. Sow them in a seed tray with quality potting soil, lightly covering them. Keep the soil moist and place the tray in a warm area with indirect sunlight. Germination can take a few weeks, so be patient. How to care for Campanula Birch Hybrid? Caring for Campanula Birch Hybrid is relatively simple. Here are some tips based on my experience. Sunlight. This plant prefers full sun to partial shade. I've noticed that it flourishes in spots that receive at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Watering. Water the plant regularly, especially during dry spells. However, be cautious not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. Well-drained soil is essential. I mix in compost to improve drainage and provide nutrients. Fertilization. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring helps promote healthy growth. What to plant with Campanula Birch Hybrid? Companion planting can enhance your garden's beauty. I've paired Campanula Birch Hybrid with plants like sedum, daylilies, and other perennials that thrive in similar conditions. These combinations create a stunning display while ensuring that all plants have enough space to grow. Can you grow Campanula Birch Hybrid indoors? While Campanula Birch Hybrid is primarily an outdoor plant, you can grow it indoors if you provide sufficient light and space. I recommend using a large pot with drainage holes and placing it near a bright window. Keep the humidity levels moderate to mimic its natural environment, and make sure to water it appropriately. Is Campanula Birch Hybrid toxic? Good news for pet owners and parents. Campanula Birch Hybrid is non-toxic. It poses no risk to children or pets if ingested. This makes it a safe addition to gardens where little ones or furry friends play. Benefits of Campanula Birch Hybrid. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, Campanula Birch Hybrid offers several benefits. Attracts pollinators. I've noticed that bees and butterflies love these flowers, making them excellent for attracting wildlife to your garden. Low maintenance. Once established, this plant requires minimal care, freeing up time for other gardening activities. Versatile use. It's perfect for borders, containers, and as ground cover, allowing for creative landscape design. Common problems with Campanula Birch Hybrid. While I've had great luck with my Campanula Birch Hybrid, there are some common issues to be aware of. Fungal diseases. Overwatering can lead to fungal infections. Make sure to provide good air circulation around the plants. Pests. Aphids and slugs can occasionally be a problem. Regularly inspecting the foliage and using natural deterrents can keep them at bay. Comparing Campanula Birch Hybrid with similar plants. You might wonder how Campanula Birch Hybrid stacks up against similar plants like Campanula poscarskiana or Campanula carpatica. While all these plants have beautiful blooms, the Birch Hybrid tends to have a more compact growth habit and vibrant colors. I appreciate its versatility and ease of care compared to some of its relatives. In conclusion, the Campanula Birch Hybrid is a wonderful addition to any garden. With its stunning flowers and manageable care requirements, it's a plant I highly recommend for both new and experienced gardeners alike. Whether you're looking to propagate it, learn about its benefits, or simply enjoy its beauty, this hybrid offers a little something for everyone.